As an e-commerce marketer, you should be keen on sending the right products to the right users who are actively looking for them. Then push them down the funnel by retargeting them with exciting offers to turn them into the customers. We have 500 plus e-commerce clients and we have seen these strategies working for them wonderfully. And the sign is they have got an uptick in their sales and also in their revenue. The first step here to start collecting your first party data. This is very crucial because all data policies and cookie policies are having a huge impact on audience signal on their ad platforms. Because of this, ad platforms are not able to get the right audience signal that it needs to optimize for. So here what you have to do is to start enabling your server-side tracking. Server-side tracking is nothing but sending your events via server-side. So you can implement this by enabling your CAPI on your website. Once CAPI is implemented, the first positive sign that you will see is an increased EMQ score. This EMQ score will contribute to your audience match rates because the better EMQ score, the better audience match rates will be. Also, due to cookie deprecations, the audience match rates on ad platforms are currently lower, but with first party data, you can get 2 to 3x higher match rates than your normal custom audiences. Now, the second step is to create your personalized audience segment. Here, you can either combine all the events into a single ad group and run retargeting ads for them, or you can create a specific segment such as a single product viewed or a category viewed. However, the bigger the audience is, better your retargeting campaigns will perform. When you combine all these audience segments together, there will be a less chance for audience overlap, and this will play a major role in your CPM. Don't forget to add your purchase list in the exclusions so that your CPP doesn't spike up. Now, the third step here is to sync these audiences to ad platform. While creating audiences with first party data, your match rates are usually pretty higher than your normal custom audiences that you create on Facebook. Now, once you sync these audiences on ad platforms like Facebook or even Google, you can just start your retargeting campaigns. Now, we suggest two kinds of retargeting campaigns for our clients. One is the normal retargeting campaign. You combine, you have already synced your audiences, and now you have to add these audiences into the sales campaign and run your retargeting campaigns. The another thing is ASC campaigns, which is very famous among the e-commerce marketers. We have a specific video of how ASC campaign has given 4x conversions with first party data. You can check that video out here. You can just add those custom audiences into the ad account setting and you can use them in the ASC campaign, which has given a very good result. Now let's talk about the result. So this is the performance dashboard of CustomerLabs, and here if you could see, the CPL of the first party data campaign is much lower than all the other campaigns. And here is another one. This is also the first party data campaigns, and it has produced 60% lower CPL than the other retargeting campaigns. And this is another one that has a lower CPL. Okay, this is a bonus step. Once you have created and implemented all these strategies, the next thing is to strategize your upsell and cross-sell strategies. You have the ability and the feasibility to create multiple audience segments, whichever way you want, and push it for upsell and cross-sell strategies in your ad campaigns as well. If you want to know more about how you can implement this without any tech support and get increased sales with first-party data, you can book a one-on-one demo with us. The link is in the description. Also, you can join our community where we share first-party data strategies for e-commerce businesses. The link is in the description.